Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming basics that actually fix most issues fast. First, make sure your Airtel SIM is active and your plan hasn't expired. An inactive SIM returns network not available. Once done, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh radio scan. Next, open mobile network settings and manually pick your preferred network type, 4G first, then 3G, so the phone stops hunting endlessly. These steps reboot the radio and re-register you on Airtel. Now you handle registration and configuration that prevents recurring drops. You should manually search operators and lock to Airtel network. Automatic mode sometimes picks weak cells. Then go to access point names and restore Airtel's default APN, remove any duplicates or incorrect entries so data and registration work. Make sure the phone installed carrier or SIM toolkit updates and apply any operating system updates. These often include modem firmware fixes. Doing this, To finish, reset network settings to clear corrupt configurations. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi credentials. If the problem continues, swap the Airtel SIM into a different unlocked phone to see if the SIM or your device is at fault. This isolates hardware issues quickly. Finally, if you still see network not available, contact Airtel support and provide your SIM number and IMEI. Ask them to check provisioning and local tower status. One troubleshooting tip: test with a known working SIM to confirm your phone's radio is healthy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.